Uzak Shahir. In the next episode of Uzak Shahir, Zarin may return from the riverbank carrying the weight of what she did to Damir and the terror of not knowing whether he survived. She will tell no that she pushed him into water because she fears the law, the Bebar's family, and the judgment of Kaya. Her first concern will be baby Damir took away. Zarin will search his abandoned vehicle and find a child's bracelet, a train ticket, and the address of remote house. Kaya, unaware of the full truth, will notice her strange behavior and insist on helping. Their search will bring them together emotionally, but the secrets between them will make every moment fragile. At the remote house, they may discover the baby was moved only hours earlier. An elderly woman will claim that stranger paid her to care for the child and warn her that Elbora family would bring danger. Zarin will recognize the description as someone linked to the damaged network, but the woman will also mention a second visitor named Ufuk. This will connect the new arrival to the missing baby and raise suspicion about his loyalty. Back at the mansion, Sadakat will blame Zarin for bringing shame and chaos, but Jihan will defend her, saying the family must stop punishing victims for crimes committed against them. That statement will reveal how much Al-Yas' departure has changed him. Kaya will eventually learn from a fisherman that a wounded man was pulled from the river. He will realize Damir may still be alive and confront Zarin. Instead of denying it, she will confess everything: the kidnapping, the struggle, and the moment she chose to fight back. Kaya will be torn between relief that she survived and fear that Damir will return for revenge. He will promise not to abandon her, but he will also warn that hiding the truth could destroy them later. Their emotional reconciliation will be interrupted when a package arrives at the mansion. Inside will be the baby's blanket and a recent photograph proving the child is alive. Written on the back will be a demand Zarin must come alone to Budapest and bring her documents hidden in the Sadakat's room. The episode may close with Zarin standing over Sadakat's while she sleeps, slowly opening the locked drawer that contains the family's oldest and most dangerous secret.